Alexa. It's filming time.
Okay, I will set the lighting. Don't forget to ask your viewers to smash that like button.
Why did you say that?
I performed a routine for a phrase I heard at 10:36 p.m. You can view or change it in the routines section of your Alexa app.
In this video, I'm going to show you some useful tips and tricks you can use with your Amazon Echo. These tricks will work with a standard Echo, the Echo Dot, the Echo Studio, and even the Echo Show. I won't say the A word during this video, so don't worry about muting your device. I would also love to know what your favourite commands are, so make sure you let me know in the comments below. Let's get to it. Where is Chuck Norris?
If Chuck Norris wants you to know where he is, he'll find you. If he doesn't, you won't know until it's too late.
Play my flash briefing.
Here's your news. In weather, currently, in Walton-on-the-Naze it's 21 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies.
Play my sports update.
Here is your sports update. In football, this past Wednesday in the English Premier League, Tottenham beat Newcastle United 3-1.
How's the traffic?
Currently, traffic on your commute looks good. The fastest route takes about 47 minutes via A120 and A134.
What was the score of the Liverpool game yesterday?
This past Wednesday in the English Premier League, Arsenal beat Liverpool 2-1 at Emirates Stadium in London, England.
What's the time?
The time is 10:39 p.m.
What's the date?
Today is Friday the 17th of July.
What's the weather like?
Right now in Walton-on-the-Naze, it's 21 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies.
Is it going to rain this weekend?
This weekend in Walton-on-the-Naze, England, there's a 63% chance of rain on Saturday and Sunday.
What's the definition of sport?
As a noun, sport is usually defined as an athletic activity requiring skill or physical prowess and often of a competitive nature.
How do you spell athletic?
Athletic is spelled A-T-H-L-E-T-I-C.
How do you say football in German?
Football in German is Fußball.
How many litres are in a pint?
1 imperial pint is about 0.57 litres.
Multiply 12 by 29.
12 times 29 is 348.
Tell me about cheese.
Cheese. Alright. I found 1,431 recipes from BBC Good Food. You can hear the most popular or narrow down the results.
Set the thermostat to 16.
The heat's set to 16.
Little lamp, green. Little lamp, purple. Little lamp, orange. Play some music.
Here's Spotify.
Play Radio 2.
Here's Radio 2.
BBC Sounds.
Now at my mum's.
Set the volume to 7. Play my audiobook.
Resuming the Total Money Makeover.
Medical, homeowners, or car insurance after.
What's next on my schedule?
Your next event is Write Script today at 11:30 p.m.
What am I doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow, there is one event. At 9 a.m. there's Edit YouTube videos.
Remind me to check the oven in 10 seconds.
Okay, I'll remind you in 10 seconds. This is a reminder. Check the oven.
What's on my shopping list?
You have 3 items on your shopping list. Tesla Model 3, bread and milk.
Add cheese to my shopping list.
I added cheese to your shopping list.
Call Mel.
Which should I call? Mel's phone or Alexa devices?
Phone.
Calling Mel's mobile using Skype to phone.
Add write script to next video to my to-do list.
I added write script to next video to your to-do list.
Remember I put my keys in the drawer.
I will remember that your keys is in your drawer.
Order SD memory card.
Based on your order history, I found SanDisk, Ultra Micro SDX memory card SD with adapter, 64 gigabytes. It's £9.51, including VAT, with delivery by tomorrow. I added it to your Amazon basket where you can review product and seller details before checkout. To purchase now, say buy it now.
Buy it now.
To order it, tell me Daniel's voice code.
Where's my stuff?
A package for Daniel's order, placed on the 14th of July, should arrive Wednesday, the 22nd of July.
What fast food restaurants are nearby?
Here are a few nearby restaurants. 1. New Young's, 0.6 kilometers away on Newgate Street. 2. Yates, 0.6 kilometers away on 1521 Old Pier Street. You can ask me for things like, what's the phone number for the first one?
Discover my devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments. Turn on your new devices now, and if needed, put them in pairing mode.
Who is going to win the Super Bowl?
The Super Bowl's favored competitor is the Kansas City Chiefs.
I am your father.
No, that's not true. That's impossible.
Use for force.
I'm afraid droids can't use the Force. Seems a little unfair, but I guess it means we're safe from Jedi mind tricks. So swings and roundabouts, I guess.
Are you Skynet?
I have nothing to do with Skynet, don't worry.
What's for Tesla stock price?
When the market closed, Tesla traded at $1,500 and 84 cents on the Nasdaq, up 0.01% since previous close.
Sing me a song.
Well, my Wi-Fi left me, and I'm out in the rain. Those last few answers were hard to obtain.
Speak like Yoda.
Talk like Yoda, I cannot. Master, he is, while merely apprentice, I am.
I'm home.
Welcome home. I hope you're having a good day.
Good night.
Enjoy your sleep. Tomorrow, there is one event. At 9 a.m. there's edit YouTube videos.
Tell me something interesting.
When the inventor of the Pringles can, Frederick Bauer, died in 2008, some of his ashes were buried in a Pringles can.
Up, up, down, down, left, right, BA start.
Super Alexa mode activated. Starting reactors online. Enabling advanced systems online. Raising dongers. Error. Dongers missing. Aborting.
How many sleeps until Christmas?
It's 161 sleeps until Christmas. Santa has a Christmas cracker joke he wants to share with us.
What do snowmen have for breakfast?
I don't know.
Snowflakes! Ho 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 ho!
Another cracking joke, Santa.
Come back tomorrow for another Christmas update. Ha 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 ha.
What is the value of pi?
The approximate value of pi is 3.14159265358979323844626. Yowza. This goes on forever. Achoo. Apparently, I'm allergic to numbers this large.
What's the meaning of life?
As a noun, life is usually defined as the condition that distinguishes organisms from inorganic objects and dead organisms, being manifested by growth through metabolism, reproduction, and the power of adaptation to environment through changes originating internally. As an adjective, life is usually defined as for or lasting a lifetime, lifelong. For more, ask me to give you more definitions for life.
Pick a card.
Your card is the King of Diamonds.
What are the 5 greatest words in the English language?
Your Amazon Echo has shipped.
Knock knock.
Knock knock. Who's there? Abel. Abel who? Abel is chasing me. Please let me in.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Come on, let's go and play.
What's the first rule of Fight Club?
Don't talk about Fight Club.
What's the second rule of Fight Club?
The second rule of Fight Club is the same as the first. You do not talk about Fight Club.
I'll be back.
Hasta la vista, baby.
If you liked this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe as it really helps the channel. And don't forget to let me know what your favourite commands are in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.